tucked quietly into the green landscape of Dwingeloo. The Lounge Lodge by I-29 Architects presents a different way of thinking about space. At first glance, it's modest, almost understated, but that's exactly the point. This is a home that isn't trying to impress with size, but with clarity, intention, and how thoughtfully every inch is used. What makes this project interesting is how it redefines what a compact home can actually feel like. With a footprint of just around 20 square meters, the lodge manages to accommodate up to 4 people, and it doesn't feel cramped. Instead, it feels deliberate, like every decision has been carefully edited down to only what truly matters. From the outside, the architecture carries a quiet but distinctive character. The facade is composed of rhythmic paneling, with carefully integrated openings that give the structure a sculptural quality. As sunlight moves throughout the day, shadows shift across the surface, subtly transforming how the building is perceived over time. One of the most defining features of the Lounge Lodge is how it connects to its surroundings. A large, south-facing sliding door opens the interior toward the landscape, allowing natural light to flow deep into the space. It's not just about brightness. It's about dissolving the boundary between inside and outside, making the environment feel like an extension of the home. As you step inside, the layout immediately reveals its intelligence. There's a small but fully functional kitchen, a lounge area that invites you to slow down, and a fold-out dining table that adapts to the moment. Nothing is excessive, yet nothing feels missing. It's a balance that's surprisingly hard to achieve in small-scale living. sleeping arrangement adds another layer to this compact design. On the main level, there's a cozy sleeping niche, almost tucked away like a private retreat. Above it, a mezzanine introduces a second sleeping area, creating a vertical dimension that expands the perception of space without increasing the footprint. What's compelling here is not just the design itself, but the philosophy behind it. The Lounge Lodge is built on the idea that less can actually offer more. More clarity, more focus, and more meaningful experiences. It's a response to a world where space is often overconsumed, suggesting instead that quality and simplicity can redefine comfort. The choice of materials reinforces this connection to nature. The green-toned cladding allows the lodge to blend into its surroundings, almost camouflaging it within the landscape. But at the same time, the precise arrangement of the facade elements gives it a clear identity, something that feels both integrated and intentional. In the end, this project isn't just a small house, it's a study in restraint. It shows how architecture can shape the way we live, even at the smallest scale. And in doing so, it quietly asks a bigger question. How much space do we really need to feel at home?